name is Anandi and I'm from Kolkata. I come from a place that is filled with varied cultures, rituals, and definitely practices and things that deal with a lot of creative alternatives. So I partake in a lot of different fields as well. I chose Whistling Woods is because I felt as though this college would provide a platform for me where I would be able to showcase these talents and hone them at the same time. So my course is VCD, stands for Visual Communication Design. And what I do in my free time in college is that I spend most of my time with music. So if I work, I'm listening to music, or I decide to get together with friends in the cafeteria to jam and meet up with them. So I take interest in a little of everything. I did mention that I come from a place of varied creative alternatives. I do love, however, music the most. I love singing. I play the piano, and I have been playing for quite some time, and it gives me a lot of relaxation.
So, Jisha, is there a message that you want to convey through this setup that we're having?
Definitely. For starters, I would say that let us all try and get across to the faculty members to at least give us access to the other classrooms of the other courses so that we can finally meet the people we've yet to meet and make friends and get to know and learn about what they are learning for their career and eventually do what we want to do and what we love. Um, I cannot express the kind of joy I get from getting together with these classmates or batchmates in a place and then jamming together or spending time. But I would like to take something more from it rather than just casually finding a place to jam and actually having access to the serious resources that they use.
Hi, I'm Debanisha. I've pursued acting from Whistling Woods, but after coming to this college, I've also been introduced to filmmaking, and I'm really keen to learn screenwriting, especially because I found it very interesting, and as an actor, writing helps you a lot. But unfortunately, we don't get the opportunity to explore more classes, and I would really want to attend more screenwriting classes and really learn writing. I wish I had gotten the opportunity, but I'm still looking forward to it. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Surudrangshu. I am a third year BBA student at Whistling Woods, and obviously I wanted to do media and communication, sure, but along with that, when I came to college, I had a lot of other aspirations and I had a lot of other plans that I wanted to, you know, um, fulfill, I guess. But that I did not find that completely. I mean, sure, it was college, so they had an agenda that they already had to take care of. But I think if I could um, you know explore more about maybe the technicality of the sound department, or even music, because I have done music for quite some time in my life. If I could do that, then that would have been great.
Hi, my name is Jay Mehta. I'm from Mumbai. I'm doing BBA in Media and Communication from Whistling Woods International. I have trained myself in dancing for over a decade under Shamak Dawat Institute, after which I've also done 2 years of aerial as well. I also danced a lot for school, and that was when the teachers always walked up to me and told me to take acting as a career because of my expressions. So that was one reason I came into Whistling Woods, and being an outsider, I did take BBA for a degree as well. But I would say it would have been much better if I could get easy access to the acting studio and the auditorium as well, where I could express both my talent as well. Thank you.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm Devashish Bhatt. I'm from cinematography, SEM 5. And yeah, I always wanted to be a cinematographer and I am doing that. But there is a other side to my story where I also wanted to be a musician and produce music. I love EDM, hip hop, all of that. But I really wish I could do both, but I had to choose cinematography. And college mein there are such amazing equipments, all of that. I wish I could just use it.
Hi, I'm Shilpashri Banerjee. I'm pursuing BBA in Whistling Woods International. So I came with a dream in this city, and to some extent, not some extent, actually, my college have helped me a lot in pursuing my dream. I had the dream to get inside the industry, so I thought taking up this course in the Whistling Woods International would really help me out. And honestly, my college have helped me out in. So I have my passion is like doing cinematography, and I recently got an internship in Geo Creative Labs, where I was working as a DOP intern, from where I even got the opportunity to go to UK and shoot a travel docu-series. So like college have helped me in several ways and given me several lot of opportunities to explore it. So in the course, in between pandemic happened and everything, considering that, I believe I could have explored myself more.